Are you ready for the last act of this half? Please welcome to the stage the fantastic Karen.
I brew my own beer.
Yes!
And I am an eternal optimist. Being an eternal optimist, I do think of things in a slightly different way. More sort of literally, laterally, and lovingly. This does, however, cause some confusion. When I think of free-range eggs, I genuinely imagine them happy, smiling, running through the field. No disguise, they're having a lovely time. Then, secondly, when people say, "Oh, I'm off to the woods to see the bluebells," I start wondering, who are these people? Why are they leaving painted instruments in our forest? Do they play them? Is it noisy? If the bluebell plays in the woods and no one's there to hear it, does it still make a sound? And finally, catfish. Have you seen a catfish? Bet you haven't. They can't hold the rod with their tiny little paws. Being an optimist, I do love to pull the joy and hope out of every situation. And there are, of course, people at the opposite end of this positivity spectrum. The pessimists. Yes, you've heard of them. The negative Nellies. Whinge McMoans. Grumpy fuckers, really. I say that lovingly, Some of my best friends are pessimists, and they are wonderful people. Thoughtful, considerate, always planning ahead, usually to the worst case scenario, but that's okay. They are tough to go to dinner with though. They bring a whole new meaning to the phrase wine and dine. When I do go out to dinner with them, I like to play a little game of energy tennis. I limber up. I get ready. The first shot is served. Pow! I hate the rain! I'm ready. I rally. Pow! The rain is what makes our scenery so lovely, luscious and green. One love. The second shot's coming. Boom! We're destroying the planet by burning fossil fuels. I return. Pow! Did you know that we're actually increasing the use of wind turbines and solar panels? In 2018, 52% of the electricity generated in the UK was from renewable sources. Two love. The final shot. I sense it's a tough one. Boom. I hate all the knobs that deny climate change. This one's got a lot of lefty spin. I pause. I summon all of my positive energy. And rally again. It's okay. Their ignorance will probably cause them to drown first when the sea level rise. Now I know it's easy to go down a rabbit hole of woe with sustainability issues and climate change. Filling the oceans with plastic. Rare ecosystems are being affected by temperature change. How will I drink pina coladas on a Caribbean beach if I can't fly there? And it's difficult to know what to do. What is the right thing for the environment? I'm a vegetarian. I love tofu. My pessimist friends, who survive on air, bitterness, my dashed hopes, reply that the rainforests are being destroyed for soybean fields to make my delicious tofu. So I get it. It's easy to be scared by the sheer scale of the problems that we face, but we can tip the balance. It's the little things we do that can change everything. Just a few examples. Firstly, when I go to the supermarket, I hunt out the local produce.
Yeah, yes.
This is much more fun if you do it with a West Country accent. You can go to the cheese counter, pick up the halloumi, and say, "You're not local." Secondly, one of my hobbies actually has reduced my carbon footprint. I don't even have to go to the pub now. I brew my own beer. Delicious, just the way I like it. I am the eternal optimist. And finally, I grow my own vegetables. I love seeing the plants grow, tending to them through the seasons. It has caused one dilemma. My love of the earth and all of its creatures versus my slug relocation service. I used to use my really strong energy tennis arm to launch them over the fence. Now my neighbours grow veg. Can't be done. So now I gather them up, take them to the woods, and leave them, set them free, in the hope that they will pursue their tiny slug musical careers with the bluebirds. Sometimes I even imagine that the free-range eggs are their excitable groupies. So, in this wonderful moment, when we are all filled with love, joy, and hopefully laughter, I ask you to make a small change. It will make a difference.